Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. The probability of keeping the rates unchanged has now crossed the 60% mark, which has lifted sentiment in equity markets. The US markets closed higher while rising yields fell to 4.62%. The dollar index is also comfortably trading below the mark of 106. All these things are definitely going to support emerging markets and the similar sort of activity we are seeing. Since last almost 2 days, the market recovered from the lows of 19,480 to almost 19,680-700. Today, the GIFT Nifty is also indicating us that we are going to see higher opening by nearly 50-55 points as US markets and Asian markets are trading with positive gains. For our markets, after opening higher on Tuesday, the market remains strong and it has crossed almost all its important levels: 19,605, 19,675 and also 19,700. So while looking at the entire setup of the market, we are of the view that the markets are ready to move towards the next major hurdle zone, which is between 19,800 to 19,900. But on immediate basis, 19,800 is going to act as major resistance for the market based on option statistics as well as based on extensions. In case if there is any correction, then certainly we should look for adding some positions around 19,650, 19,600. But if there is any higher opening close to 19,800, then we should look for reducing long positions. The support, which was around 19,330, is now shifted to the levels of 19,480. But for the Bank Nifty, 44,500 is the important level, and on Tuesday when the market has broken, I mean to say the Nifty has broken almost all its important level, the Bank Nifty failed to cross 44,500. It may be because of its expiry which is due today, and we need to see that how actually it span out on the day of weekly expiry. 44,500 is certainly going to act as resistance, but above that it has resistance at 44,800 and 45,000. But crossing 44,800 will be a big event for the market or for the Bank Nifty, because above that we can expect a very strong up move towards 45,500 maybe in next couple of weeks. Support is at 44,300 and at 44,100. Again, here also the strategy should be to buy on dips. Apart from this major indices, if we focus on other indices, then real estate, metals and minings as well as private bank stocks did well, and these stocks should be on the watch list for taking any short term or medium term positions. DLF after very long time has crossed the level of 550, which is positive. We are of the view that now it is in the range of 590 and 530 on the downside. Again, the strategy should be to buy on dips. Prestige Real Estates, Lodha, all these stocks are doing well and they are going to do well. That's the overall view based on their technical formations. Lodha Developers is having resistance at 820. And finally, if we go through with the metals and minings, then in that NALCO, NMDC, GMDC did well. We need to keep a close watch on NMDC as well as NALCO with a very short term view. And finally, for the private banks, Axis Bank as well as ICICI Bank did well. There we are expecting further more activity. That's all from my side. With this, I am ending today's call. Thank you. Have a great day to all of you.